Hi little one, it's your faraway auntie, Auntie Mia. Today I'm reading Doggies, a counting and barking book by Sandra Boynton. One dog woof, two dogs woof, yep, yep. Three dogs woof, yep, yep, nom, nom, nom. Four dogs woof, yep, yep, yum, 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 roof, 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 roof. Five dogs woof, yep, yep, yum, 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 roof, 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 roof. Bow, wow, 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 wow. Six quiet dogs. Shh. Seven dogs. Whoop. Yep, yep. Now, now, now. Roof, 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 roof. Bow, wow, 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 wow. A roof, a roof, a roof, a roof. A roof, a roof, a roof. And one more makes eight. A roof. Nine dogs. Aroo. On a moonlit night, 10 dogs. Woof. Yep, yep. Roof, 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 roof. No, no, no. Bow, wow, wow, wow. A roof, a roof, a roof, a roof. Arf, 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 arf. And then one cat.